Equitable and inclusive education, learning for all. NEP 2020 aims at equitable and inclusive education for every child in the country, with a special focus on underrepresented groups. According to UDICE 2016-17 data, about 19.6% of students belong to scheduled caste at the primary level, but this fraction falls to 17.3% at the higher secondary level. These enrollment drop-offs are more severe for scheduled tribes and differently abled children. The NEP 2020 recognizes that certain groups are grossly underrepresented in the existing education system. To specially address their educational needs, the NEP has clubbed gender identities, socio-cultural identities, geographical identities, disabilities, and socio-economic conditions to create a new social group called Socio-Economically Disadvantaged Group (SEDG). Recognizing their special needs, the NEP 2020 recommends a series of policies and schemes such as largesse scholarship, conditional cash transfer to incentivize parents to send their children to school, providing bicycles for transport that have worked in the past to increase enrollment, to create more representation. The NEP 2020 recognizes that female and transgender individuals across all the groups and socio-economic categories are the worst affected people. Recognizing critical needs of education of the girl child, the new policy proposes the creation of a gender inclusion fund to create better educational spaces for women and transgender individuals. The policy also aims to recruit special educators in these all school complexes to make sure that teaching is more inclusive and cognizant of the needs of children. Children with benchmark disabilities will be allowed to opt for homeschooling and would be provided with skilled homeschooling educators so that they can still learn and acquire the best educational facilities. One of the standout recommendations of the NEP is the proposal to set up special educational zones (SEZs) in regions with significant population belonging to socio-economically disadvantaged groups and in those aspirational districts. The key purpose is to spread education in the remotest and farthest places in India. In conclusion, I must say the NEP 2020 has done well by loudly recognizing the challenges faced by gendered categories, minorities, and children with special needs. It has also done well in the terms of proposing a series of laudable steps, including education SEZs, to address the structural challenges of education in inaccessible regions. Thank you.